installing this goddamn LED steering wheel. Y'all, step by step of how to actually do it. First step, disconnect your battery so the airbags will hit your ass in the face. You're gonna get a screwdriver or something like this, and you're gonna stuff it inside of her.
I'm feeling romantical.
You're gonna keep on, you feel me, until this eventually pops up.
6.5 hours later.
What?
Call for backup.
Trying to put a steering wheel on.
Oh,
We got Mr. Famous Slammer right here.
the mechanic. What can the famous
The
LS mechanic do for you? Look at this bitch. Look, watch. Who you know get screws off with a motherfucker?
Wouldn't it be easier if we just take this off first?
What you mean?
Like take the steering wheel off first, then do all that shit.
You're a fucking dumbass.
There you go.
We out here struggling. Trying
What,
to.
we need a drill? I got a drill.
I mean, we could use a drill if it has the fucking drive for it. Cause if not, I think this is like a 1/4 drive. Yeah, get in. All right, now you straight.
Few inches later.
Man, that shit took forever. And I had to call my homeboy to help man. Poking the holes to even get it out was so stupid. Anyways, we got it out. Here's how it looks. Man, as you can see, finally took that bit out, bro. After you take it out, all you gotta do is transfer everything from the OEM to the aftermarket. So, done. This how the aftermarket steering wheel / LED steering wheel look. Basically, all you gotta do is take everything off the other steering wheel, put it on this steering wheel, and it connects perfectly fine. It's easy. All the parts come in the thing. When you take it off, you just put it right back on, vice versa. So after you put everything on the LED steering wheel, next thing you gotta do is wire. Wiring is not that bad. You basically are putting all the wires back together. You're gonna need some electric tape. You're gonna have to put the black wire to the black wire, the red wire to the purple wire. Everything's gonna be fine. Red to red. Like I said, black to black, purple to purple. Then when you put the airbag in, all you're gonna do is put the clips in. The airbags are going to work. All your buttons are going to work. Nothing's gonna be messed up on your vehicle as long as you do it correctly. Yellow to yellow, blue to blue. It's really simple, honestly. Make sure to keep your battery unplugged. So basically, this is how it's gonna look after you put the airbags back in. Last thing you gotta do, you gotta put the plug-in thing you got from the box and put it in your scan reader, or your little computer, little jack thing right there. You're gonna find it. You know what I'm talking about. You're gonna plug it in. After that, steering wheel plugged in. Basically, this is just gonna read everything off your vehicle and put it on the LED screen. Because the steering wheel does have a screen that tells you different things. It's a fun little feature. I'm gonna show you later on in the video. Your blue light's gonna pop up at first. Mine's already pop on. That's why it's not popping on right now. There's a button in the back that just indicates that it's on and it's reading. Okay, cool. Like I said, after this, you're just done. Man, that's what I meant earlier. The little screen on the steering wheel reads everything off your vehicle. So RPMs, temperature, all that. Man, what's on YouTube? Back with another fucking video. Second video ever. I told y'all niggas I was gonna come with the mods in this car. Today's the fucking day. I ain't gonna lie, this shit is hell. God, my damn fingers is hurting. I gotta bro, this shit is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I can't even record and do this at the same time just cause how hard, man. And I gotta do the whole tip, man. Y'all can't even see. I gotta, yeah. Editing on this bitch gonna be crazy, man. Bear with me. I'll be right back, bro. Help. Please. Help. I don't even know how to describe this bullshit right here. This shit right here gonna be the death of me. Y'all fools don't know how much y'all fools don't know how much progress this is, man. My fingers. These damn fingers, they hurting, man. You don't know how much progress this is, real shit. And the bullshit just came out. God damn.
Few moments later.
Yo, what's on with y'all folks? Hey, today I'm finna be installing some starlights in my 2023 Dodge Challenger RT. It's gonna be a brief little video. If you want a full tutorial, go look at the lower shift, you got you. First thing you gotta do, take out the A pillars, B pillars, real quick, easy. Alright, bet. So when it comes to taking this shit off, I don't skip so much shit because I've been doing it. This shit, all you gotta do is go right here, put your hand right here, pull it down. You ain't gonna break it, cuz. Put it to the side too, put it down. It's just clamps, that's it. You're not finna break shit. I done did so much work, I done forgot to record. Alright, bet, so boom. You feel me? Don't mind the toes, not too much of my toes, you know what I mean? But we got a few holes already did. It's gonna be a long little process, cause this shit takes patience. My toes still ugly, we got a lot of shit to do. Alright, damn, so goddamn 900 poking later, we gonna finally finish some of this shit. I done cut it off a little bit. Put some black tape on the back because I'm going to show y'all where to put this. The black box, you're going to put that in the trunk, but you got a quick sneak peek type shit. Turn that lights off. You feel me? We got the little Zoe in the middle. You feel me? We ain't put too much in the front on purpose just because when I record, I don't want no hella glare. We got a light show going in the back. I ain't gonna lie. We got a fucking light show in the back. Not too much going on in the front. You know, the street real cutesy. Real cutesy. We got our initials inside the goddamn A pillar and B pillar. I ain't do shit with the C pillars cause that's a lot of work. But you see how that bitch say E3? Yeah. Look good, I don't fuck with it, but gotta put this bitch back in the car. Damn near 10 years later, I finally got it back in the car. I got a wire is I got a fuse tab, you feel me? I got it connected to my battery and my fuse, you feel me? So the ground is gonna be connected to the ground, you feel me? But the fuse tab is gonna be fused to, I believe, don't quote me on this, might be my headlight, you feel me? It might be my headlight. So the lights are only ever gonna be on when my lights are on. If the car's not on, the light's not on. And just for a quick example, that's what I mean. You feel me? They're not on right now, but as soon as I click the button, power goes to the car, lights gonna automatically. Oh, okay. This right here is finna turn my damn car into something a little more spicy, you hear me? A little more spicy. You feel me? This is the Z Automotive Taser. This right here gonna lock all the other screens to my shit. You feel me? Oh, first thing we gotta do is we gotta take this little sheet off so we can reach. Don't mind that, that's my stars. We gotta reach the plug to where we can connect this double bypass. If you don't know, if you have a Dodge Challenger, Charger, Mopar, whatever it is, and it's 2015 and up, I think, or it might be 2018 and up, you're going to have to spend an extra 50 bucks and get the double bypass that's on their website. So that means I can't connect it to the regular ODB port. That's right over. Right there. I can't connect to that. You have to run a double bypass, and the double bypass is right under this. So the first thing you want to do is you gotta take this out. Hold on. Boom. When you take this shit out, you feel me? That's the little carpet board, whatever it's called. You're gonna reach this. You see it? You gotta get a pen to pop this open. Let me get a flashlight. Hold on. So what I did was I took my key and I took this little tab down. Too, which lets you get to these right here. The whites and the greens. That's really all you need to do. You plug it in. You feel me? You gonna feel me? Whites and the greens. The whites and the greens. It doesn't matter which specific white plug you put it into, because you got 2 free ones right here, and then 4 free ones on the green one. Don't mind me, bitch. I tried to hop in my damn car. Ew. Fill in that boy. Ew! You got the white one, you got the green one. You gotta put them in these right here. You see it? White to white, green with green. As you can see, I got them in. And once this part is done, all you gotta do is you take the other piece, which is this to this, the female and the male. You plug them together. Then you gotta find spark plug 32. Next thing you gotta do is take a screw, 10 millimeter, I believe. Unscrew this just a little bit. You see it? Unscrew that a little bit, just so you can take, where is it? You can take this and put it right here. Just like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna refasten it. Same thing. I'm using this. Okay. That's been plugged up. That's been goddamn fastened. And then you done tapped it. Now we're gonna do a test run by taking, where is it? I think it fell down here. Yep. We're gonna take this, plug this up, and see if I get it correctly. Let's see.
A few minutes later.
Yep, just like that. Drop it on. Alright, bam. Hey, look, everything plugged back in. My stars are back in. All that wiring done. You feel me? At the end of it all, it should look like this. Yup. Bam. So when you finally hear you got everything up, you're gonna hold this button right here and tap cancel to activate this little screen right here until you find Mary. Keep tapping cancel until you find Mary. You feel me? And then after Mary, you press the cruise control button, aka the yes button, which is gonna look like this. And then it's gonna Mary, see it? And then you just let that count down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're now get. Nah, I'm playing. See, now you married. Feel me? The bypass, aka the Z Automotive Taser, is now married to your car. So, bam. When you click all the settings you want, you feel me? All you gotta do is go to the reboot button, press this, and let it count down, let it do its things for the reboot. And then when it reboots, it's gonna do shit like this. You feel me? Let it rock, let it do its thing. You're gonna open the door, restart the car, because right now the car is on run mode, not on mode. You feel me? Look. Everything should be good now. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it off, open the door, close it, start it. As you can see, that's a new splash screen right there. And bam, dude, when everything done, you set it up how you like it. You get the SRT modes. Now, I already got majority of these modes. This is the only page that I did not get. That's the only page that I did not get. All these other modes, all these other pages I got already. Like, the goddamn this shit, not this, hold on. Where is it? Race options, yeah. All that, I got that already. I got these already. That came stock with my vehicle. This is a 2022 RT Plus. It comes with a whole bunch of track options and all that other bullshit. If I look, my car even got the super track pad right there. If I press it, these already came with the car. The only thing my car did not came with, and it pisses me off a little bit, well, until now because I fixed it, was